Hello, good morning. Good morning, Australia. Good morning, Australia. Pero I'm having this video for my friends, relatives, colleagues. Yan. And I will be having my breakfast. Ano na yata ngayon, 8 a.m. I'm not sure. Magbe-breakfast ako ngayon. And what I have here is avocado, the lamb meat, yun yung isang araw pa. Kasi ang sarap-sarap eh. Hindi pa nauubos, kaya ngayon kakainin ko na. And bread, tapos vegetable soup, and coffee, mocha morning drink. Ang hirap mag-English. Ngayon kailangan I have to hurry eating because all the food will be cold. When you reheat them, you have to eat it while it's hot because it will be cold immediately, quickly, like after 10 minutes or 5 minutes lang malamig na. Kaya hindi mo na-enjoy yung masyado yung ano, pero mas ma-enjoy mo kasi pag mainit at saka masarap pa. Ayun, um, ano tawag doon? Hello friends and colleagues sa CDI warehouse, because I worked in the warehouse as forklift operator. Hello sa inyo. Hello, ano ba mga pangalan? Hello, Rodelito and Norlene, um, Harold. Ang dami nyo. Hindi ko na matandaan yung ano. Basta, pero nakikilala ko pa kayo, natatandaan ko pa kayo. Hello. And sana makarating din kayo dito, no? Um, ito, kakain pa lang ako ngayon. And today, I will be quite busy of making calls sa mga schools. Tapos, nagsisearch ako ng mga jobs na pwede kong gawin. Like house jobs, like going out with pets and taking care of children. Ganun na hindi naman kailangan ng papers or you have to have work permit or to have that, because mga simple lang jobs na you can have, and there are lots of people or family who are very busy with their jobs or work, and live, they should have someone to look after their children. Kaya yun, sige na, bye bye, and see you again next time.